All right, so let's dive into the to-do list. The to-do list is probably one of my most favorite parts of our platform. One of the things I've been asked for over and over in my entire career is give me a to-do list and tell me exactly how I need to do it. Tell me the things I need to take and I will do them. So when I've owned an agency since 2008, that's been a big thing I've been asked for over and over. Just give me that to-do list, I'll punch it out. And when we started to build this, that was one of the big things that I thought about is all those times I was asked to take a list and put it together so someone could come in and punch everything out. So when we're talking about being able to do that, the to-do list makes it really super simple. What the to-do list is going to do is it's going to look at your local SEO and decide what the best things to do. Now I'm inside of a test account, so our local SEO score on this test account is 55%. This is kind of just a base off of what our algorithm thinks that you are out there with, but we're focusing on the to-do list right now. The to-do list will tell you stuff like upload photo, if you have any questions that need to be answered, if you have any reviews, if you need to update your service area, it'll go through anything inside of our platform and make it simple for you to be able to complete the task. For example, if you click on upload logo, should take you into the upload logo area. Since I'm on this test account, I'm not sure what it's exactly going to do. Right now, it's not going to do anything for me. So as we're in these different pieces and we're going through and we're doing some of these things, you can just go through and you can answer it, like scheduling a post. Yes, we'll schedule a post. Boom, you're on the post screen, ready to rock and roll. You could skip it for now. You can get a complete marketing to-do list to be able to take yourself to that next level, to be able to walk yourself through each and every step. So that way your marketing is simple. That way your marketing is straightforward and easy to be able to do. So the to-do list will be able to help you be able to grow your business and do your local SEO by giving you a to-do list that makes sense to a small business owner, that is a local SEO task list that'll help you be able to grow your business, get you in front of more local customers that are searching for the products and services you have. If For those that don't know who I am, my name is Rob. I'm one of the co-founders here at Simply Be Found. I've owned agencies since 2008. I've been doing web development since 1995. If you have any questions whatsoever, we have your back and we're here to support you. Thank you.